This video tutorial I will explain how to uninstall WinSCP software. Go to Control Panel, click on Programs and Features, and here you can see WinSCP. Right click, click on Uninstall. Click on Yes. To complete the uninstallation of WinSCP, the computer should be restarted. And here it is asking the question, would you like to restart now? We have to click on Yes. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.